In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app password in your Google account. If you need to connect an app or device to your Google account and it doesn't support the usual sign-in process, creating an app password is a secure way to do it. This gives that app a unique one-time access code without requiring you to share your main account password, which helps keep your account safer. To begin, open your Google Account Management portal and go to the Security section. This is where Google places the most important account protection settings, so if you've never explored this page before, you'll find tools related to sign-in, verification, and overall account access. Once you're in the security area, enable two-step verification on your account if it isn't already turned on. This step is required before app passwords become available. Google uses two-step verification as an extra layer of protection, meaning that even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the second verification method. Follow the prompts on screen to complete that setup if needed, then return to your account settings. After that, use the search bar at the top of your account profile and search for app passwords. This is usually the fastest way to find the setting, especially if you don't want to manually browse through multiple menus. When the app passwords option appears, open it to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for the application you want to authorize. Use a descriptive label that helps you recognize where the password will be used. For example, you might name it based on the device, email app, or service you're connecting. Choosing a clear name will make it easier to manage later, especially if you create more than one app password over time. Once the name is entered, click Create. Google will then generate a 16-character code on the screen. This is the app password you'll use in the external app or device instead of your normal Google account password. Carefully copy the code exactly as shown. It's a good idea to paste it directly into the app right away because this code may not be shown again after you close the window. And that's it. You've successfully created an app password for your Google account. Be sure to store it securely and only use it in the application you intended to authorize.